Here's stock valuation lectures, short lectures. Number 4, this is Jun Yamamoto. I'm going to give you stock valuation lectures very shortly. This time, the titles would be Many Choices of GM. So far, we handled continuous growth rate last time. So we had a GM here. GM's a map from R plus 3 to R. And to calculate means, average things, average growth rate, we have xj terminal value and xi starting value and time horizon of j minus I, right? So 3 factors we need to calculate GM. So result would be continuous basis ln xj over xi divided by time interval j minus I. However, as you notice, we have lots of degree of freedom to choose j and I in a certain investment time horizon. So if our investment time horizon from 0 to t, the interval says t, and we have many choices to choosing the I between 0 and t and j, respectively. We have only one condition, j is greater than I, and j and I should be greater than 0 and less than t. So many choices of GMs. And why we introduce continuous growth rate? Because calculations much easier. Here we have G1 continuous things here. Then G1, what's G1 continuous? It's ln xk over xk minus 1. So values between a unit time of 1, right? And then because it's logarithm, addition becomes very much easy, and it's equals this and this are the same, right? So ln G1 things adding up and averaging, so it becomes Gn, right? So let's look at example here. Examples, we have xk values starting from 1, x0 is 1, and then x1 is 2, and x2 is 1, and x3 is 3. So we have a chart here. Please look at this. As k goes, xk on a horizontal line, and on the vertical line, sorry, it becomes from 1 to 2, 2 to 1, and from 1 to 3. This time series. Okay, and then what's G1 continuous things? G1's here. G1 1 is ln 2 over 1 is 0.69. And what's G1 2? It's ln 1 over 2 is a negative number, negative 0.69. And what's G1 3 on a continuous basis? It's ln 3. ln 3 over 1 is 1.1. So we have 3 G1s, right? And then what's GM? What's GM, for example, 313? ending value of 3, and starting value of 1, and time interval of 3 years. For example, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 0. J is 3 and I is 0, right? So GM313 is ln 3 over 3. So that should be positive 37%. So this angle GM313, quite a good number. However, that's the only GM we can choose. I'm going to ask you, no, because we have other freedom of degree of freedom. Sorry. Here's an example. We write 3 by 3 matrix for GMs. We have G11. G11 is actually GM211, right? Ending value of 2, starting value of 1, 2, 1, and time horizon 1 minus 0 is 1. So 211, GM211 is 0.69. So we have this GM, and respectively we have G12, G13. These things also GMs, member of GM. And this GM313 is here, G11 plus G12 plus G13 over 3 is here. And we have two other GMs, the average of these and the average of these, G11 plus G12 over 2 and G12 plus G13 over 2. So we have, how many GMs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are many choices of GM. And homework today, question 1 is, if you have n G1s, so not 3, but n G1s, how many GMs we get? That's first question. And homework 2, how do you define risk-free? Risk-free is you have no risk to invest in a certain vehicle, financial vehicle. So your investment, if your investment risk-free, there's no risks. So how do you define risk-free? By using these GMs. That's the homework for today. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. So see you next time. Bye.